So hey guys, in this video we are going for the second problem here, Runge Kutta method. Runge Kutta method. Now we have to use here the fourth order of the Runge Kutta method, and to solve the x plus y dy by dx is equal to 1. This is the equation given, and y of 0.4 is equal to 1. This is the given thing, initial condition. At x equal to 0.5 we have to find the value of y, right? So what all things are given, let us just write it. Now as we know, x plus y is equal into dy by dx, right? Dy by dx is equal to 1. Now as we have studied that a function of x comma y, right, it is always in the form of dy by dx. But in the question given, it is LHS part is not just dy by dx, along with that x plus y is also sitting, so I need to shift that x plus y to the RHS side. So that will become dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by x plus y. So just shifting this to the RHS side. I hope you understood this. So this is function of x comma y. Next, given one more thing, y of 0.4 is equal to 1. What is the meaning of that? Y of x naught is equal to y naught. Now what is the x naught value? Whatever is inside the bracket, that is 0.4, that will be x naught, and y naught will be RHS side, that is 1. Now they have asked x is equal to 0.5. So meaning of that is x of x1 is equal to y1. This is what they are asking. That means y of 0.5 is equal to what they are asking. This means at x equal to 0.1, so I'll just take x1. x1 is equal to 0.5. What is y1 value? This is the question. I hope you understood what is the question now. Now let us proceed with the first step. So this is the fourth order, in the sense I need to find k1, k2, k3, k4 and apply the formula, where in the formula all the four values has to be utilized. Okay. So these are four values I need to find out. Now before that, h is, you can see h value is there in all the formulas. What is h? It is not given in this question. It is nothing but the step size. So initial condition is x naught. Okay. Then I need to go till x1, which is 0.5. Simple. Here the x naught value, the initial condition is given as 0.4. So when I have to go from x0 to x1, I am taking some sort of step. This is nothing but step size. So if I subtract x1 minus x0, I will get h value. So remember that x1 minus x0, I will get the h value, which is a step size, which that implies x1 value we know it is 0.5 minus x0 value is the initial condition 0.4. The answer is 0.1. This is how we have to find it. Some of the questions they will directly specify. You can take directly that. Otherwise, you have to do like that. Okay. Starting with the k1 value. K1 value we know it is h into. So directly I am going to apply. H value we know it is 0.1 into function of x0 comma y naught. See, we know function of x comma y. Now I have to apply function of x0 comma y naught. So it is basically the function of. So it is basically in this one, it is 1 by x plus 1. So instead of that, x naught plus y naught will become. So what is the answer? 0.1 into 1 by, what is x naught value? 0.4 plus what is y naught value? 1. So getting the k1 value as 0.0714. Okay, just add it up. 0.1 divided by 1.4, it is 0.0714. Let us go for the k2 value. So k2 again the same formula, h value is 0.1 into function of, now it has changed, x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2 is function of, now x0 plus h by 2. What is x0 value? 0.4 plus h by 2. H is 0.1 by 2 comma y0 value is 1 plus k1 value, the previous value 0.0714 divided by, sorry, not whole divided by, just here divided by 2. Now this is function. Okay, now I have to put it in the function. So 0.1 into function of, now it becomes 0.4 plus 0.1 by 2, it is 0.45, comma, this value is 1.0357, it will be 0.1 into, now in the function I'll put 1 by x plus y, so it is 0.45 plus 1.0357. Okay, so what's the value you are getting? 0.0673. This K2 value. Now we'll go for K3. Again the same thing, same procedure we have to follow. 0.1 into function of, now x naught plus h by 2, same thing. So it will be same. So I can directly write 0.45, comma. Now here it will change. X y naught plus y naught is 1 plus K2. K2 value is the previous value 0.0673 divided by 2. That means this part will remain same in all the cases. But in K4 it will change. Only K2 and K3 it is same. Okay. So be careful with that thing. Okay, so it is 0.1 into function of 0.45, comma, this segment I'll solve. It is equal to what? 1.03365. You can stop till 0.33 also, but if you take a more number of decimal places, you will get the accurate answers. Okay, so K3 value becomes, now I have to put it in the function, 0.1 into 1 divided by x plus y, here 0.45 plus 1.03365. So what is the answer you are getting? 0.0674. Done. This is K3 value. Next I have to substitute the, find the value of K4. 0.1 into function of, now x naught plus h has come. So what is x naught value? It is 0.4 plus h value is 0.1, comma, y naught value is 1 plus K3 value 0.0674, the previous one. So it will be 0.1 into function of 0.5, comma, this will be 1.0674. So the K4 value becomes 0.1 into function of this thing, again 1 by x plus y, so it will be 0.5, 0.5, plus y value is 1.0674. So the answer you will be getting 0.0638. Okay, so again K4 is done. So all the values we got, K1 value, K2 value, K3, K4. Now you have to substitute in the formula. What is the formula? Let us see that. What is the meaning of y x naught plus h? See, we have studied that. As we have discussed, x naught, from x naught I went to x1. I took a step of what? H. Okay. Now, if I add x naught plus h, I will be arriving at x1. The simple logic. So this basically means the x1 value. Okay, x naught plus h is basically x1, the next floor. If x naught is considered as ground floor, x1 will be first floor by taking the step of h. Now what is x1 value? As we have discussed in the question itself, that is 0.5 value we need to find out. Okay, so that is equal to, now what is y? 1 plus 1 by 6 into k1. K1 value is, all the values you have to substitute. Okay, so the basic meaning of this is that y of x.5 is equal to this value. That means at x1 is equal to 0.5, my y1 value is equal to 1.0674. Okay.